Does everybody know what time it is?
Tool time!
That's right, Binford Tools is proud to present
Space Rogue.
That's right, it's tool time again. Let's get right to it. RIPS is a static source code analyzer for vulnerabilities in PHP web applications that was originally released during the month of PHP security bugs back in June, which we covered right here on HNN. Well, it has now been updated to version 0.3.2. It can detect cross-site scripting, SQLi injection, RCE vulnerabilities, and more. The folks over at darknet.org.uk have released RS Mangler 1.0, a Ruby-based word list manipulator that can take each word in a word list and combine it with others to produce all possible permutations. Some extensive, yet highly targeted word lists may be customized that would work great for those brute forcing runs. ROPME, or Rope Exploit Made Easy, is a proof of concept tool for ROP exploit automation on Linux x86. It contains a set of simple Python scripts to generate and search for ROP gadgets from binaries and libraries. A sample payload class is also included to help generate multi-stage ROP payload with the technique described at Black Hat USA 2010. Halbred discovers HTTP load balancers. It is useful for web application security auditing and for load balancer configuration testing. SAMHAIN is a host-based intrusion detection system that provides file integrity checking and log file monitoring and analysis. It can centrally monitor multiple hosts with potentially different operating systems or run standalone. Version 1.1 of DSI DSS compliance mandates the use of file integrity monitoring software for critical systems or content files, as well as the use of file integrity monitoring and change detection software on log files. New it centrally with SAMHAIN. nfex is a tool for extracting files from the network in real time or post-capture from an offline TCP dump PCAP save file. It is based off of the code base from the apparently defunct project TCP Extract. nfex most notably offers a simple, repeatable way to add new file formats by editing the config file. URLVoid is now in beta at www.urlvoid.com. It will analyze a URL against multiple AV products, at least 16 when we tried it. It also seems to work with tiny URLs and bit.lys, so you might call it a savior for twits. There is an interesting post going around claiming that there is an update to the Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer, or MBSA 2.0. It will lead you to a page at filehippo.com for download, which should be your first clue that it's probably a Trojan. The second clue should be the MBSA page at Microsoft showing version 2.1 is the last update from October 2007. If you're Python people, you probably will appreciate Nmap SI4, the Nmap GUI built on Qt. Normally we just think, yeah, ZenMap did it first and did it good enough, but with the trend toward offensive Python these days, this may warrant a slot in your toolbox. That's it for this week's Tool Time. Join us next week for our salute to Tool Time.